And that, Carly, is how you make beef stew. Carly. 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 Carly.
What?
Are you paying attention?
Not
I said that's how you make beef stew.
No, not really.
Should I start the 1 hour tutorial
I didn't
again?
hear a thing after you said, well, let's get started.
Okay. Stay by the bell. Why don't you go get the door, Carly?
I gotta be sleeping and listen to my mom cook. Hello? No packages either. Better be nothing. Mom, there's no one there.
What? That's weird. There's no one there.
Not one soul.
I shouldn't be. Did the door just open? I don't know.
Cartoon cat!
Carly, are you okay? Carly.
Cartoon cat! I'm ready! Cartoon cat! Cartoon cat! Cartoon cat!
Carly, I think he's gone.
Mom, is he still there?
Kind of. He's tiny.
I want to see. Here you go. It barely even hit me. Here you go, Mom.
No!
Mom!
What? 2 scissors. You want to cut him open?
By the head.
By the head?
And then we'll just reach in its body.
You want to cut his head off?
Yeah!
No. That doesn't sound very nice. Fine, we'll cut his head off.
Yes! The doc is in and she'll fix you up. If you're a cat, then you're in luck. It's okay, don't be afraid. The doc doesn't know her stuff. Yeah.
Evil Dr. Carly is back.
First, we need a barrier just to hide.
A barrier?
Because it's too violent.
What are you doing? Here, we can put him on this.
Oh my god. If you look at something, it doesn't look right, does it?
What?
I did something to him.
What'd you... Oh, you
I made a slit in his ear.
nipped his ear a little?
Yeah, just
Remember, if you cut on the seam,
I'm
then
cutting
I
on
can
a seam.
sew it back together.
But we don't want him to hear any of our evil plans.
What?
Never hear anything again.
You are twisted.
Oh my god.
Well, I can actually sew that back on because
But he
that's
won't be
a
able to
nice,
hear.
easy sew.
But he won't actually be able to hear.
Okay, are you ready now?
Yay!
Oops, hold on. Oh. What is that? Is that inside of him?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
Oh, how you feel, buddy? You might feel sad. Yeah. Or he feels happy that he just got decapitated.
Decapitated.
Decapitated, yeah, that's beautiful. Okay, it's like a little laser pointer.
Ooh.
Okay, I'm sorry. Wait. Wait. Some of these.
Oh, is it changing?
Okay,
It's a star.
A happy face, a butterfly, a mouse. Yeah, that's beautiful.
Okay, can you see what else is in here? Here, wait, give him a high five first. Look at his fingers.
Okay, wait.
It looks like he has extra fingers, but he does not. Just give him a high
Cats
five.
don't have 5 fingers, they have 4.
I don't know what cats. I don't have a cat.
Well, since, most animals, I think they only have 4. So, you know what that means.
Wait, does
We
this
have to
hand,
cut-
why does this hand look so much different than this hand? Hold this hand up.
Okay, we might need to do some surgery on his hand. They look wonky.
They're not the same
I
hand.
might have to cut off a pinky
Why?
because it just doesn't look normal. Oh my god. I promise you're in the wrong hands here. Which finger should we get rid of? Well, that looks better. Let's get rid of this one. I know what I'm doing.
Sure you do. Okay. Oh, looks like something else fell out.
Cat food.
Cat food. Do we just shake? There's definitely stuff in here. Oh yeah, there's some cat food coming out.
You got this. Mom, if a police showed up to our house and they saw you doing this, what would they think? You murdered it?
It's not a real cat.
Come on. Ooh.
Is there anything else in there?
My game!
Your brain game. Big brain.
I was looking.
Oh. What is that? A toy mouse?
Yeah, it's a toy mouse.
Carly, we might be putting this thing back together again. It hasn't shown anything evil. We haven't found a baby Yoda yet. A mouse.
Yeah. Are you missing a baby Yoda?
Not that I'm aware of. Another mouse.
Oh my god.
Another mouse.
Oh wait, there's a game. My Mario Kart game.
What?
His hair.
It's a hairball.
Yeah. So, in this procedure, we
Removed his ears. Removed 2 fingers. From an evil stuffed cat. Not a real one. Do not
we
do this.
decapitated him.
A fake cat. A fake villain.
You know what? This looks weird too.
You should only try this at home with adult supervision.
The doc has an
Only
idea.
for villains.
The doc has a great idea.
What?
I don't think cats have these legs.
Well, this isn't a real. This is a villain. Cut his legs off.
Yeah, you're gonna have a lot of work to do. Okay, now reviewing. In this procedure, we cut off his legs, we cut off 2 fingers. He has a body left, and then we have his head. Cut off ears. We found some mice.
And cat food and a pointer. And the only sussy things are
The games.
the games. Which isn't that sussy.
Kind of sussy.
Now,
We blamed Annabelle for it.
Now, if you're gonna... Oh, yeah, we did.
And yeah, we have to put it back in our game section.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I got a lot of work to do sewing this boy back up. But at least everything is on the seam, so I can fix it.
Almost everything. Okay, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, bye!